Do you believe that your spouse during a divorce can go through and read your emails and text? I think the truth might surprise you and could get them in a lot of legal trouble. Hello, my name is Attorney Jonathan Breeden. I'm the owner of the Breeden Law Office here in North Carolina, where my office has been helping families just like yours for over 25 years. And today we're going to talk to you a little bit about sort of digital privacy and your emails and text. If your spouse knows your email password or the passcode on your phone, they can access your phone or your email on your computer because they know the password, and there's nothing illegal about that. If you want to stop them from being able to access your emails or text, you need to change your passwords and not give them the password. It is illegal to hack into somebody's phone and hack into somebody's email, even if you are married. Now, common mistakes we see here at the Breeden Law Office is your email address and your password are saved on your computer. And it's a shared family computer that anybody can access. So you just go to Gmail, put in the email, and it auto fills the password. That is not hacking into a computer because the spouse has access to the joint computer. Now, if the spouse has hacked into say it's a laptop or a desktop where there's a password to even get to the home screen of it, that's a different thing. But most family computers don't have that, or everybody knows what the code is. It's the family computer. Wife uses it, husband uses it, the kid uses it, all of that kind of stuff. Same thing with your phone. If your wife knows that your password is 1234 and you don't change it, she can get your phone and put it in. If you want to keep these things private, you've got to change the password and you've got to get rid of these auto saves of passwords on shared computers. Now, if you've done that, then they can't just hack in and get it. And if they do hack in and get it, they have committed a crime, and you can call the sheriff's department and you may or may not be able to get a warrant for their arrest. But one thing you can do as part of a divorce, which is why you need to be careful with what you text and email, is your wife or husband can subpoena the phone and have the phone copied and get the text messages that are off of it. They can also request that you turn over all of your text messages between yourself and anybody else they choose to ask for, and that you turn over the emails between yourself and other people that they may ask for as part of the discovery process of a divorce, custody, property distribution, alimony case. Then in that situation, if the court deems it relevant, you do have to turn these things over, but nothing is being hacked. They are going through the court process, they're making a formal request. You get up to 60 days to respond to it, and then you have the right to object if you don't believe it's relevant or this, that, and the other. But almost always, texts and emails that might show an affair or may show the squandering of money are going to be deemed relevant by the court, and you're going to have to turn them over. So, what I would do is I would not send any text or emails that might incriminate me into any extramarital affair, any side businesses I didn't know about, anything where I'm spending large sums of money that's not good for the marriage, those types of things. Because while they cannot hack into your phone and they cannot hack into your email, they sure as heck can ask the court to make you give it to them as part of the discovery process. So you should assume if you're going through a divorce and there's any contention at all, that any text or email that you send may have to be produced. And they can also send subpoenas to Gmail or Hotmail or Outlook or Verizon or AT&T, so so even if you don't want to give it over, sometimes they can get it from the providers themselves. So yes, it is illegal to hack into somebody's text or email, but there is another way to get it. It's a little longer, but it's still legal. And so you need to be very careful with anything you put in writing if you're going through a divorce that you don't want somebody else to see. If you are in a divorce where you were interested in any text or emails your spouse may have sent to somebody else and you think it may help your case, reach out to me at Jonathan Breeden at the Breeden Law Office at 919-661-4970 or reach out to us at breedenfirm.com. We want to help you become the hero of your life story.